everyone and welcome back. This time we're checking out a 4K Android TV box. The package contains the H96 Pro, a power adapter, an HDMI cable, a remote controller, and a manual. Please read the user manual for all the information needed about the setup. It comes with 3 GB of RAM and 16 GB of storage. And it runs on Android Marshmallow 6.0. The body is mostly plastic with the glass panel on top. There are 4 USB ports in total on the device. Also, there's a memory card slot, an IR sensor, along with the power supplying port, internet port, optical, HDMI, and AV outputs. Plug in the HDMI and the power cable into the device and then into your TV. Once you've connected it successfully, this is how your home screen will look. Connect to the internet, there's a wireless internet option, choose the language and you're ready to go. You can use your wireless mouse to browse the internet as well if you don't want to use the remote for that. You can add your Google account and then use your TV just like you would use your phone or a PC. There will be all the basic Android apps on the TV, a Bluetooth connection along with the Play Store with the possibility to download many more apps to your liking. Also, you can browse the internet, stream internet content like on YouTube or watch shows on Netflix. You can easily access apps like Skype, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and many more others. Your TV has never had a better and a more fun upgrade. And that would be all for today's review. Thank you for watching.